Are you looking for a quality rest after a long and tedious ride? Do you want to have a time travel kind of experience like traveling to past? Do you want to be alone and enjoy the silence around you and want to see the stars in the deepest sky? Well, welcome to this small village called Nako. It is your kind of place then. I personally love this place so much that I stayed here for 2 extra days. From Kalpa, we started our journey and had a halt at Nako village. It is somewhat around 100 km from Rikongpio, and I must say it is the India's best secret place. This dreamlike village is at 3600 meters above sea level and is the last point of Kinnaur district. It is so small place that please do not expect any mobile connectivity and many times even electricity. I fell in love with Nako village from head to toe. Nako Lake is quite relaxing site and we stayed at Nako Lake Viewpoint Hotel. I feel it is the best place to stay here. Days are chilly at Nako and the night temperature can drop in some minus degrees.
This is my little baby. This is my little baby. Please don't get confused. This is my little baby. He is 14 years younger than me. He's my younger brother. I have, done this thing when he was baby, 1 day old. Now he is saying, I am old. Go.
See, there's a difference between of 14 years.
14 साल का डिफरेंस है बेटा. 14 साल में
मैं 38 साल की उम्र में
आयु 38 साल में अर्नब को लेके
I know that being sarcastic is a part-time job. That I know.
Why you are not taking this? You should cross your limit. I am crossing my limit. You should cross the limits.
You're crossing your limit by this?
Yes. I am crossing my limit. I am crossing my limit by coming here. I will tell you.
This gentleman have a lot of stories, horror stories, and just wait and watch. We'll come over here and you will listen all the stories by him.
-3 degree here in Nako village, and Sharad is telling me the story of Virana. I don't know what's the name of this chudail in that Virana.
Yes, man.
I also did a small trek here. The view was breathtaking.
We are at some kind of a track in Nako village, and this guy is still talking about that chudail of Virana.
No, yeah.
While Sharad went to his hiking the mountain, I went to see the village. I found empty streets, old mud buildings, and no signs of Homo sapiens, as locals are into cultivation. For some moments, I really felt I had jumped some 50 years back in time, but it was a great experience. You can also visit Nako Monastery, which is the most visited Buddhist center in the state of Himachal Pradesh. It was made around 11th century. I am so thankful to Sharad, who given me a pleasant surprise by celebrating my birthday here. And I am equally thankful to Lakeview owner and staff members for arranging everything what Sharad asked for and made us stay comfortable. So this was all about my Nako village trip. I hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned, I'll be taking you to one more secret place in next video. Until then, have a wonderful time.